Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you the projects that I created with the dies that I had shared in my recent video from my little crafty shop. And this is all the information to Lisa's website. So let me share with you, these are such fun dies. So the first one I want to show you were the two boxes. So again, there's two different sizes. She had the larger one and then the smaller one, and I absolutely love this box. I had purchased so many box dies and created many box dies, but I really love this one. Has to be my favorite. So let me show you. Now the collection that I used for all these projects is the new Woodland Grove collection. So this is the small one. Look how beautiful this box is. Isn't it so fun? It just reminds me of a candy box. And I love this. So I filled it in with some shreds, and then I created this hanging charm that says create. And then I added the coordinating stickers from the collection. And it's such a cute and fun box die. And this is a larger one. So pretty. So you could fit lots of goodies in here. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. So it does have a lot of the layering pieces that you can add to this box. And I did some layering with the coordinating ephemera, and these flowers are also one of the dies, and I'll share that with you as well. So that's this die right here. You can create these 3 different types of flowers, and so I layered it on here on the box. It's so pretty. So that is that die sets. So those are the box dies and the flower die. And then here we have the cute little purse. I love the size. It's a great size to fit some goodies in there or some candies. And it's just a really beautiful purse. And then, let's see, where's that die? It's this die set right here. So you get all these pieces. You also get the layering pieces as well to create this bag, and it's just super cute. So there's that one. And then there's this perfume shaker. This is really fun. Again, I had mentioned I purchased the Christmas ornament one, and I love this pretty perfume bottle. So when you remove the top here, the shaker or bits can come out. And these are just some, diamond dots that I added on here. I put like 3, 4 different colors that coordinate with this collection. And you can give someone some sequins or diamond dots. It's a cute way to gift them. And then these are, again, the same flowers from that die set. And you can make a cute little perfume bottle. So there's that one. And then this last one is it's supposed to create a banner, but Lisa had shared in her video where she had mentioned you can make it also into a bag topper. And that's this one. And that's what I did. I added some sequins inside, and then I made it into a bag topper. And then I added a 3x4 bag and added some of the flowers. So it's a great way to gift these cute little flowers. And then the last one are the dangle tabs. This is fun because you can add these. There's 3 different kinds. There's a heart, a star, and just a circle. And you can add these to your bag topper. So if you want to add it to a bag topper, gives it a little more fun to the bag topper. Just, these cute little dangles hanging on there. So you can add it to that. Or you can add it to these sentiment ephemera pieces. Would be cute as well. And then you can add that to the bag. That'd be cute. So I added it to some of the cute little ephemera pieces. And then here's those star ones. So this is the star one. This one is the circle one. And then this one is the heart. So check out these die sets. I'll have my discount code in the description box down below. And these are so fun to create. And again, it's from My Little Crafty Shop. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.